All right, we just starting our day here. Welcome everybody, welcome to the video today. We're gonna start here with this nice big hedge. We do all the way around both sides. Nice stuff, always nice to start the day with a nice one. There's a lot here. They have a nice big piece of land here. Goes all the way around. So I'll bring you guys along with us today. Show you guys what we get done. Some of the jobs that we do, I can't film everywhere. We do too many and I don't always have time to show you guys. But we'll show you guys. You can see here at the bottom it's having a little bit of a hard time. It's really wet on the other side. So a nice big piece here, a nice big piece of land. All the way around. A lot of hedge here. So I'll bring you guys with us. Enjoy this. Alright, you can see we did the upper half over here. The top and the top half is done. I don't know if you can tell there, the bottom part here is not done yet. So you see where it's not growing that well right here? That's because on the other side of the neighbors it's always wet. That's what causes that there. Thanks. So just to give you guys an idea, you see how nice and thick they are over there? That's because their lawn here, their land here is well drained. You can see over here at the neighbors on the other side. It's just something like that. Too much water will cause where you can see through it like that. All right, let's take the van, the bucket truck, and we'll get a little shot of everything here for you guys. Looks really good. You see how it's not very thick? That's why they want it here. Neighbor's hedge looks good too over there. You can see over there in the back, way over on the other side, how those hedges aren't growing good, because that's always wet. It's always wet over there. That's why that neighbor over there doesn't have good drains on his stuff. I'll walk around on the back here, show you guys what we got going on. Not as warm today as it was yesterday. Yesterday was crazy. It was 31. Makes about 90. Everything looks really good here. Everything's trimmed up. I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this stuff. Come along with us. I'll show you guys some more of the jobs we do today. I'll try to put a video up every 2-3 days for you guys. If you have any questions, just write to me. I check all my comments. Enjoy. Welcome everybody on this beautiful day. You guys come along with us today. We'll show you guys what we got going on. We're going to show you the hedge trimming that we're doing. I'll bring you along some of the jobs. Give you guys a little perspective on what we do. We're doing this big one here. rough shape. I don't think we've done it in 2 or 3 years. Gonna take care of that for the customer. I'll show you guys out back, really high. Let me put my machine down here. Got one of those old cement pools here. This is all concrete here. All right, well, I better get up here to get started if I want to get it done. All right, show you guys how it came out. It's a big one. So you can see we up on top there, we don't do that part of the neighbors. We just round it off there for it to look good. What let's say, Sam? Ok, correct, Raoul? Oui. Ok, merci. Hein. Bon appétit. So you see the hedges here, back in the day, used to come out to here. You see how they come out over there? They used to come all the way out to here. He cut into the hedge. And he made this little wall here for it to look better. Yeah, so you can see how it used to come way out. So he made this deck here, patio, put in this fence here so you don't see all that. Should have maybe went up a bit higher because that'll never hide. See how he put some hedges in here to try to hide it. With the time that's going to grow and I'll hide all the stuff that's there. So this is one big one out back there. It's crazy, crazy, crazy stuff. All right, you guys, on to the next one. Gonna show you this one here. See where we just did the top, it was like over there. Rough one, we're gonna fix it all up. I'll show you guys. I don't think it's been done in 5 years. We'll fix it all up. We'll trim that up. I'll show you guys as we go along here. Look how long those are. We'll clean up all the mailboxes. I'm just taking a picture of this car here because we're going to be doing the hedges here. The windshield is cracked. Just want to take that, make sure they don't say anything to us. Alright, you can see where he trimmed, taking about 3 feet off. Alright, get you guys a little bit of a shot from the sky up here. You can see Gil is over on the other side finishing up. Brian just finished up down here. See, this one we usually do across the street, but I said it wasn't in the budget this year. We've done the last 2 or 3 years and it's starting to get really nice because we could see right through it before. I'm going to show you guys here on this side how it came out. It looks really good. This is the big one over at the neighbors there. You still see through it a little bit, but not as bad as it used to be. If you look at the video from 2-3 years ago, look at how that came out. You guys look back there. I'll give a little quick picture right here what it looked like. It was really bad. All right, I'll go show you guys inside. Bye, Big Brian. All right, come out good. It looks good. Must be a lot of cedar here. Got a nice setup here for their barbecue. Oh yeah, look at that big pile of cedar. A lot of cedar. All right, you guys, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. You guys like come along with us, enjoy these videos. Show you guys a bit what we do.